I don't know where it is.
Well, let me show you where it is. It's way back over yonder.
Redneck
What?
campers!
Oh my God! Dang, never these damn redneck campers. Oh.
Woohoo! Okay, I got to get the fire, which I got from Rednecks for Dollars, and the grill I got from Redneck Dollars.
Oh my God, honey, are you all right?
Yeah, I think fun. Now to get the grill out. Oh, the sun's coming out. No, the Build-A-Fire from Dollars for Rednecks. My last redneck, too.